So, you're convinced by a dealer that they can sell you a new vehicle below invoice. Oh, you're so excited.
Bingo!
You jump in your car, you head to this amazing dealership that can sell you a vehicle for less than anyone else.
Yes!
And you get there, ready to make the deal of a lifetime.
Woohoo!
And then, boom! You look at the second sticker on the car. What they didn't tell you is that they've added all kinds of accessory packages to the price. And now they're asking you to pay hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars more than you thought. Then they want to give you less for your trade. Oh, been there. Yeah. Look, the Sunset Auto family doesn't play games like that. At Sunset, you'll find transparent pricing because all dealers pay the same for their vehicles from the factory, and that's the truth. Incentives are all the same, which means comparable vehicles all cost just about the same. No dealer has a competitive advantage when it comes to price or financing. What Sunset has that other dealers could offer but don't: warranty, protection for life, and oil changes for life, included with every single qualifying vehicle.
Wow!
You see, it's not what you pay, it's what you get. And you just get more at Sunset. And people do like that.